Okay, wait, no, don't do that yet. We have to do a cinematic entrance. We're gonna pretend like we're just getting in, okay? Okay. Even though all our is in the back. Oh, welcome. Hello. Welcome to Carpool Karaoke. Okay, Ultra were real. Okay. They were okay. Sick it is sick. Turn this down because it's now very hot in here. I'm gonna put my Starbucks here. Are you gonna get Starbucks? You should get something. Decaf? That would be very strange. Something decaf? Of course they have decaf.
I just want to make it clear that I did not mean to cut my mom out of the frame like this. This was my first time using this camera and this tripod in my car, so I couldn't use the viewfinder because it wouldn't fit for me to flip it up. So I couldn't even see what the camera was getting. So I just wanted to say that.
What's up, you guys? It's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Oh, I wanted to hook my phone up to CarPlay so that I can see the GPS. Today, we are quite literally going to drive an hour to go to Trader Joe's because we've never been there before. This is our first experience at Trader Joe's because we do not have a Trader Joe's. I asked you guys on Instagram the other day to tell me some of your favorite things to get, so I compiled them into a list I will show you later. Yeah, we're gonna go on a little bit of a road trip on this fine Saturday morning at 10:07 a.m. and we're gonna go to Trader Joe's, and I'm really looking forward to this, and I really think that we're gonna get some really good stuff. First though, we're gonna go to Starbucks. I haven't had coffee or breakfast this morning, but we're doing that first, and then we will put the Trader Joe's address into my GPS and we will head there. So we're gonna drive to Starbucks now and I will see you guys when we get there. We're at Starbucks. We are currently in line at the drive-thru, which is ridiculous. We are actually out of the parking lot and on the road.
I don't think they thought this through when they built it.
No, they did not at all.
I think he's gonna let him.
Can I go? Oh,
Go.
Thank you.
There you
Thank
go.
you so much, Queen. Queen.
Probably been in your position.
What a subtle act of kindness that was. That was so kind. I was not expecting that.
People can surprise you sometimes.
They really do.
Is she behind us?
I'm about to buy her freaking.
I was just gonna say you should buy her the
I'm about
coffee.
to pay for her order.
for her.
So do you think I could turn it in?
Probably could.
Okay, good. I already have to pee and we just left. I already peed. Like I peed before we left. I just peed. I think the bathrooms at Trader Joe's will be open.
Oh, I don't know.
Hi, could I please get a grande toasted white chocolate mocha hot? Could I also get a tall toasted white chocolate mocha hot? And can that be decaf? Could I also get a double smoked bacon sandwich?
You got it.
And then that'll be it.
All right, 1574 at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was painless.
Because you were prepared.
I'm always prepared
Yes.
in drive-through situations.
Hi,
Hi, good, how are you?
Good, thanks. 1574.
Can I also pay for the girl behind me?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day, guys.
You too.
Thank you.
Let's go. Have a good day, Queen.
I want to use this real
Yes.
quick.
Ready?
Mhm.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Huh.
What am I supposed to be tasting?
Toasted white chocolate mocha.
Toasted white chocolate?
Mocha.
I do like it.
Okay.
Thank you, honey.
Oh, yeah, you're welcome. I don't know why I'm like sweating. I think I say that I'm sweating at least once in every video, so it's very on brand for me. I don't know why I'm acting like I didn't add all of these songs to this playlist. I'm like, wow,
Probably
these are
have
so
a
good.
ton of them on here.
Apparently this is about Harry Styles.
That
Play I Forgot That You Existed by Taylor Swift.
Playing I Forgot That You Existed. That song.
Kate is just indifference. I love the laugh. It's like so bad. I'm sorry? No. No. Is my car like okay? No, we're not moving. On here. Huh.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
Okay, so I am at Trader Joe's. I wanted to show you guys my list that I made. My mom's going to stand in line, so God bless. So like I said, I asked you guys on Instagram to send me your suggestions and your favorite things to get at Trader Joe's. So I compiled them into a list and I'm gonna show you it right now. This is what we have on our list that we want to find. I am so excited about this. I really hope this line moves fast and I'm gonna go get in it. Hi everybody, we are back. So we got quite a lot of stuff. I thought, like, look at how long. Okay, this is awkward. There's literally people in the car right across from me and they're just looking. But I'm really excited, and when we get home, I'm gonna do a haul for you guys.
I'm really hungry.
I know, we need to make some of it.
I know. We have to break open the dips at least.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, also, you know how I was having car troubles earlier? My screen malfunctioned. I fixed it because I am really smart and I know how to use Google.
Starting route to...
This parking lot is very, very much hectic. Please do not enter.
Well,
oh, do they mean here?
3/4 of a mile.
I don't
Turn
think so.
right onto
Oh, no.
North Charles Street.
do you want to go this way?
Can I do that?
Yeah, I think you can go this way.
Oh my god, this is a lot. Is that a mall? Yeah, remember how I was complaining about having to pee? I never even peed. I thought that would be a lot more dramatic than it was. But anyway.
Okay, so like I said earlier, this was my first time using this camera and the tripod in my car, and I guess that it just was not stable. I thought it was, but this footage is about to be so shaky, so if you have like motion sickness problems, probably skip through this next part that's in the car because it is crazy. I tried to keep it brief to spare us all from that, so I am sorry in advance.
That was quite a fun experience. I'm not even gonna lie.
I liked it.
I enjoyed it in there. I am very excited about the things that we got. There was just a lot going on. Like the frozen food section, there was like candy on top. I was like, what the fuck?
Well, I loved all the neat little frozen products that they had.
Oh yeah, I'm
I
very
didn't really
excited.
get a chance to look at absolutely everything because I was kind of pushing the car.
And we were all over
watching you.
Right.
And
We had dinner for like at least the week.
I think so.
Personally, I loved it. We just had a really good experience, and I would love to go back. Especially
Okay.
after we try these things. We gotta try them and see how good they really are. I will see you guys when we get home and we can do our haul, and I'm really excited to show you everything that I got. So see how I want to set this up. Does this work? I don't know. Okay. Hi everybody, I'm back home and I wanted to do a haul for you guys of what I got from Trader Joe's on my first ever Trader Joe's trip. We have these two bags, which are primarily filled with freezer section stuff. I'm gonna do those first because it's been over an hour since we left and I want to put those away before they start melting and whatever. And then we have these two bags, which are not freezer stuff, I am assuming. We're gonna start over here. So the first thing I picked up is this beef and broccoli. This was one of your recommendations. I thoroughly enjoy beef and broccoli, so I'm really excited to try this. I love you, pretty girl. Next, this was a given, you know what I mean? We got some orange chicken. Literally, when I asked you guys for your favorite things, I think every other person said this. So I actually ended up getting 2 of them because I trust you guys. And if you recommended this to me so many times, definitely has to be good. My mom got this because my uncle recommended it to her. It looks really, really good. Another one of your recommendations, mac and cheese bites. I get these at the gas station a lot. Next, of course, I had to get this. This is the Hold the Cone mini ice cream cones. Going along with the snacks, I got this cookie butter ice cream. A lot of you guys recommended cookie butter to me, and I did not know if that was, is that supposed to be a spread? Like peanut butter or almond butter? Is that what that means? I don't know, but I got this ice cream that's cookie butter, so hopefully that suffices. I actually also got one other cookie butter item. So then I picked this up because it just looked good and it caught my attention. This is a cauliflower tot casserole. Golden cauliflower tots with creamy, I don't know how to pronounce that, sauce and shredded cheddar cheese. I love cauliflower. Lastly, for this bag, my mom picked this up as well. Moving on to the second bag of frozen stuff. My mom got these dumplings. These look really good. I love dumplings, so excited about that. You know what? How about I just stop saying excited about that, because I think it's pretty clear that I'm excited about all of these things or I would not have purchased them. So next, we have chicken spring rolls. This is another one of your recommendations. Kung Pao tempura cauliflower. Whoever thought to make this sounds brilliant. This was also a given. So many people talk about this on the internet. So many of you guys recommended it. Cauliflower gnocchi. I hope I said that right. If not, feel free to roast me in the comments. I had to get it. Had to get it. I mean, I was there and it was there. I had to get it. Moving along, another one of your recommendations, fettuccine Alfredo with grilled chicken. This is one of my favorite dishes ever. I love fettuccine Alfredo. Last frozen thing, this chicken fried rice was another recommendation. The last of the cold stuff, we have 3 dips. First, I got this buffalo chicken dip, and I'm a sucker for buffalo chicken dip, so here I am. I actually had this before. My friend had it, and I tried it. Hello. Oh my god, wait a minute. I think I was supposed to get the Greek yogurt one, but I love sour cream, so this will be good. So actually I haven't had this, I take that back. I've had the Greek yogurt one of these. And then finally I got this hummus, which everybody said that their hummus was so good. So I got the tomato and basil hummus. Okay, and now we are on to the last two bags. Let's keep it moving with things that are not cold. First of all, this bag of chips is so big. I don't even think that you can really tell. Like, I know you're waiting for this, so the time has come. Everything but the bagel seasoning. This was the #1 thing on my list. Everyone talks about this, everybody. I can't even put into words how excited I am about this because everyone hypes it up so hard, so it better be the best thing that I've ever tasted. As per your recommendations as well, I got the dark chocolate peanut butter cups. I love dark chocolate, huge fan of it. I like it better than milk chocolate a lot of the time, I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, here's the other cookie butter item that I got. These are the cookie butter sandwich cookies. Creamy cookie butter spread between two decadent butter cookies. I'm gonna do a separate video of me trying all of this stuff, and it's probably gonna be just a bunch of random clips of me just turning the camera on whenever I eat something, because I don't want to sit down and like make everything at once. I feel like that would be wasteful because then I wouldn't, you know, eat all of everything that I make. So whenever I do make something or I pull out a snack or something, I'm going to turn my camera on and do a reaction, a taste test to see how good Trader Joe's really is and if it deserves the hype that everybody gives it. So that'll be another video. Stay tuned for that. I'm sweating. Oh, these are gonna slap, bitch, because holy shit. Gingerbread sandwich cookies. Oh, fuck yeah. Are you kidding me? This is a cream cheese filling. Good night, honey. I forgot that we got those. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And the last thing in this bag, this was an overwhelming recommendation as well. Jingle Jangle. What is this? A fun mix of fan favorite candy treats. Milk chocolate candies, dark chocolate in Rogue JoJo's cookies, milk and dark chocolate mini peanut butter cups, milk and dark chocolate covered pretzels, dark chocolate covered caramel popcorn. Holy shit. Happy holidays, everybody. Final bag, you guys. I picked up these. Want to use these with my spinach dip. I also got these. I am gonna sound uncultured, but I have never had Takis before. I looked them up and they looked like this, and everybody said Trader Joe's has their own brand that are pretty much like Takis. Going off of the picture that I saw on the bag of the Takis when I looked them up on Google, these looked similar. I might sound like a moron. They are the rolled corn tortilla chips. They're chili and lime flavored. I think this is what I was supposed to get, but if not, then that's okay. Next, soft baked Snickerdoodles. I love Snickerdoodles. Soft baked, that's where it had. I saw the Snickerdoodles, I was attracted to that. But then I saw it said soft baked, I was like, just put that in my cart, you know what I mean? Moving on, we got some dark chocolate covered mini pretzels, another recommendation from you guys. You know, if I would have read the tin for the Jingle Jangle, I'm realizing that there are dark chocolate pretzels in there. So now we have a lot of dark chocolate pretzels, and that's okay because they are very good. I was looking for this thing that I saw on the Trader Joe's Instagram where it was like a snowman and you put it in milk, hot milk, and it would like melt, and then in the belly of the snowman there was marshmallows. I could not find them. They just did not exist. So I ended up getting one of these instead. Hot cocoa stirring spoon. This was only 99 cents. I should have gotten more of these, but I was looking for the snowmen at the time. And then once I realized I couldn't find the snowmen, I just forgot to go get more of these. Next, everyone gasses Trader Joe's salad dressings really hard, so I decided to get one of them. So I picked up the Italian dressing. I have high expectations for this, and it's good that we got this actually because we're gonna be having a lot of pasta. So we got 2 sauces at your recommendation as well. So the first one is vodka sauce. I love penne vodka. It's one of my favorites. So picked this up, and then to go with it, we just got some penne. This bag was literally, wasn't this 99 cents? Yeah, this bag was literally 99 cents. And then this is the creamy tomato basil sauce. Okay, this just looks delicious. And then to go with that, I got some bow tie pasta. I thought that this would be super good with that for some reason. I don't know. Anything is good with bow ties, if you ask me. That's it. I've never done a grocery haul before, so I do feel more like an adult now than I did before this, which is good. But that is everything that we got. This was the receipt, pretty long, and it came to $132.76. I honestly thought that it was going to be much worse than that, so I'm really not mad about this, especially considering the amount of stuff that we got. Those are all the things that I got. So that was a really fun adventure. I'm really excited to try all of these things. Make sure you stay tuned for my taste test and review. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you stayed until this point in the video, comment down below, I'm a real one, because you're a real one. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every single Sunday. And if you forget that I post a new video every single Sunday, or if you just want to get notified right when I post a new video, be sure you turn on my post notifications as the little bell icon so that you can get notified right when I post a new video. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.